Hi everyone, this is Faisal Shubir from Orion Code. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Android Studio, which is required for our courses. Just go to the Chrome and write down Android Studio free download. After writing, you will get the first link from the developer Android Studio website, which is official website from the Android Studio. Just go open it and you will get the downloading link from a developer website for the Android Studio. So after that you just click on it and accept the agreement and just click on downloading button. I already have the Android Studio, so I'm going to cancel it. After downloading, you can also check the new latest feature in Android Studio in this website. It's a feature about the Android Studio, so you can check it from developer Android website. After downloading, go to the folder where you get the Android Studio, and after that just double click on it and it will install Android Studio. I already have installed my Android Studio in my PC, so I'm going to cancel it. After the installation of the Android Studio, it will take some time to install the Android Studio. After installation, you will get this window like this. So but you will not get these products because I already have done these projects, so you will get it empty. After that you will go to the configuration SDK manager. In here you will need to install SDK tools which is required for an application in emulator. So emulator is a virtual device which is built in Android Studio, which can be built Android Studio for running the application if you don't have a real device. If you have, you don't need to be install a virtual device and emulator. You don't not even be create. So after that you will install a SDK platform which is required to run application in emulator. So it is up to you which one you would like to install and testing purpose. And here you can also change the theme of the Android Studio. I like the Dracula, so I am going to set that. So it's done. So in the next tutorial we will build a basic Android application using Java. So stay tuned with us. Goodbye.